Hey everyone, welcome to another xCloud tutorial on how to run WP-CLI or bash script commands in your site and server using xCloud. Let's get started. First, log in to your xCloud account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Sites tab. Here, select your desired site from the website list. Under the Tools option in the left side panel, click on the Commands option. Next, hit the Run Custom Command button. Enter your WP-CLI or bash script command in the editor and click on the Run Command button. xCloud will then process your command. Once it's done, you will see a completed status for it. Hit the View button under Actions to view the command details. Similarly, you can also run commands in your server using xCloud. This is how easily you can run commands like WP-CLI on your site and server with xCloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best!